Hello guys and welcome back to 2M Test the simplest way. Today I am going to show you how you can download WordPress to your PC in an easy and simple way. So before starting, here is a question: why do you need WordPress for your PC? Because if you are doing an experiment with or doing some practicals with your website and want to create your website without investing any money in hosting and purchasing domain. So for these reasons, you can download it to your PC and then after creating a good website, you can then share it to live as well. So before any further ado, let's begin with this. So open Bitnami WordPress in your Google. So write down Bitnami WordPress in address bar or search bar and search for that. After that, you can find here in the second option WordPress cloud hosting and click on it. After that, you can find here you are on the page of Bitnami WordPress, and now if you are using for Windows, Mac and Linux, click this option, and after clicking that you can use it for Windows, Mac or Linux. So I am downloading for Windows, so I am clicking on download for Windows. So click on it, and now sign in with Google, but don't use this option here. We can use this option later. So now click on no thanks. Just take me to the download here and click on start download. So download has been started and will finish in a few minutes. So just wait for that. After completing the download, I will show you how you can install and set up it for your PC step by step method, and then you will be able to share it, create your website and share it to live server. Okay, we are mostly completed the download here, and after that we are going to install it on our PC. Okay, now open this file or open this folder and double click on exe file to install it to your PC. In the language option, you can select English language and click on next, and install it to your PC. You can select C as a default destination, or you can change it to your own. Now on this page, you have to put some uh, details about yourself. So write down these things according to your need. Write down here whatever you want to see in first page of your website, and after that select uh, select your email and login ID and enter password for 2 times. You can find here we have an error message that this does not allow the special characters I have used in my password. So here you can use only alphanumeric characters uh, to set up a password. So use only alphanumeric characters. So I am putting once again here a new password without any special character like at hash, dollar sign or percentage. You can use here because it does not accept. So after doing this, click on next, and now write down here whatever you want to see on your web page. So edit text and write the text which you want to see on your page and click next. There is the option. We are not clicking here right now, and also remove this option, tick mark from here, and click next. Now you can see it is setting up the WordPress in our PC. You can, after downloading, you can do a lot more things with themes, templates, because it's a largest ever website for creating a web page and creating website very easily. After completing, you will be asked to allow the permissions, and it is mostly downloaded all the things, and after completing you can finish this, and it will open the WordPress in our browser. So you can find here bitnami WordPress is in our browser, and minimize this option here. Click on access WordPress right here, and you can find 2M tips below as written here, which we have given in the previous uh, setup screen. And now you can find here, hello world, your website is live on your PC. Your website is live on your PC, and here is the creation date and year. So now you can change all the things, themes, uh, wallpapers, and do a lot more with this website. And in upper address bar you can find uh, you can still log in to your website by writing down a login after the slash. So go to your address bar and write down login. Now you will be asked for your password and login ID which you have used or given in previous screen. So write down here, I have used admin as my login, and here is my password, and click on login to login your page. After logging in, you have a lot of more options here to edit and customize your website with text, wallpapers, themes, plugins, etc. All the things you can customize from this screen. So now your WordPress has been set up on your PC, and now you can use it easily. and make some trials and some practicals and some experience with this web-based WordPress and create a good website. And in next video, I will be going to show you how you can customize it easily with simple clicks and make it a good website for your business. So guys, this was in this video. I hope now you have enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, share and comment uh, if you want to know more, and like this video if you have really enjoyed, and dislike if you don't. And meet you soon in next video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye, and meet you soon in next video. Till bye bye.